Alright, what's up, guys? Um, few people, meaning like probably like two or three, have asked before if we're going to take the car to the track before the end of the year. We got till like Thanksgiving. I talked to my buddy yesterday. Well, I needed one of these to race because the battery's in the back. This ugly son of a bitchin' thing. That's a hell of a hole to have to cut through your car. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna cut this in the back of my car to put this in the back, and then this is your on and off main battery disconnect. These are for 2 gauge. Then that just goes on the back of that. Bolted down. Power goes in. Comes from the battery. And then this is the one that goes up front. Shuts it all off, which is nice when you get to work on a car or something, but ugly as shit. Alright, guys. What we're doing here is we're putting in this master switch. And what I wanted to do is show you guys why these are the better ones to buy. They're like a quick, they're cast copper, and basically you got to strip this back to here, right where it goes. This ain't always the easiest thing to strip, this kind of 2 gauge wire or one. I can't remember what this is. I think it's 2 gauge. Of course it wants to be stubborn. I might have made this one a little too long, guys. Okay, now all you gotta do is don't lose your stuff. All you gotta do now is put that in there like that. You start to screw it on. Use yourself a screwdriver to help hold it. What makes this more difficult is hold on. Make sure it's straight. Okay. Now all you gotta do is just put that in there, but I gotta get a different spot. Now these things are great, guys. I'm gonna put them up front where I need it too. They've been out for a few years. I just never used them. They're the best thing to buy for. Oh, I just cut the shit out of myself as normal. They're the best thing to buy, so you don't have to worry about soldering. It's just a compression fitting. Damn cable's starting to turn on me. Oh, what am I doing? On the wrong direction. And the great thing about these is they're reusable. So if you need another place to hold them, change it up, you can. But perfect. Now what we did this for was at the track. What's up, guys? Well, we got it done. Those are really nice, these things. Really nice. Recommend them, definitely. Compression fittings. Everything's in there. I just gotta get a nut for the back side of the blow down tube. Go down through there. Had to cut that all out. which isn't bad, but when you had to, anything that pissed me off is I had to do this. And it's not straight, I know that. I'm not picky, so I just cut it, which pisses me off because this was my good bumper. But it is what it is. As you can see, watch. That's, the lights are on. And then you kill it there. Gotta have it for the track, so. But there it is, it's installed. Everything come out through there. Ooh, my bone's cracking. Everything's in there, it's really good. It's in there connected good. Ain't going nowhere. Should pass tack. Well, I try to get this blow down. It'll pass tack. Helmet should be here Monday, and I gotta order a jacket yet. Because, any car that is, not like factory turbo, supercharged, and if you're running like nitrous or anything like that, you gotta have a fire safe jacket. So, I'm gonna have to order that as well. Might take me, not this weekend, I can't go anyway because they got stuff going on at the track. Next weekend, possibly, I'll be able to make it. If not, the following weekend. Buddy said it closes, I think, right after Thanksgiving will be the last day. So, as long as we don't have snow before that, which I doubt it. But yeah, it's done. So, I figure I'd show you guys that. Peace out.